This is Goodbye Blue Moon. All the years we've spent with you, you kept us safe and a ton of fun. So I guess today we have to say goodbye, and we will miss you very much, and we will say hello to our new Aquila 48. Hey, what are you doing up there?
Well, I'm installing a state-of-the-art LTE cellular antenna made by Wire Engine. It's got the highest dB gain of any antenna on the market. It is the finest cellular LTE antenna you can buy at any price.
Oh wow, do you like your hardtop?
I love my hardtop.
So
I'm
here's
gonna be living up here. I'm gonna put a little sleeping bag up here, you know, and I'm gonna put a little beer cooler.
So how much solar are you gonna put up there?
I'm gonna cover it with something.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, we're loving our new boat. We're getting it all fixed up. Here we are. Looks a little ratty right now because we're packing up or unpacking, I should say. This is our maiden voyage.
Yeah.
We just left.
Boy, that was really weird.
What happened?
I mean, it's a very slow rudder response.
About ready to head out. Go anchor out for the night. And
This sure seems stodgy.
it does.
Yeah, I'm hoping my rudder's working.
Uh-oh.
Is there a hydraulic pump that's not working or something? See, I don't see my rudder. Yeah, my rudder's not showing.
Uh-oh. Is there anything I can go switch on?
No, I don't know, Dana. I have no idea.
Hey, Lulu. What you doing down there, Bugs? Huh? I'll come get you. So yeah, here we go. What do you think, Captain?
Piece of cake. I think I can steer this boat better without the rudder, without the wheel.
Look at this fabulous boat. My grill. Tip top. Bye, Clearwater. These gorgeous birds. That's the thing. There's so many beautiful birds around here. Look how graceful that. I think that's a heron, right? So how do you feel?
Good.
Excited? Nervous?
Little nerve-wracking. I mean, I'm trying to get used to this, and it's like 6 feet of water, and so far so good. I want deep water so I can,
Play with it.
Yeah, right.
Well, you're doing a good job.
So far so good is what I said.
What do you think, Lulu? Do you think this is going okay? I think so. Again, look at this cool spot. I'd like to live here. Hey guys! Hey! Speed up for 'em. Hey! Hi! Woo! Look at that! Hi! Oh my gosh! Wow! Look at you! Hey! Hey guys! Hey guys! Woo! Is this our send-off? Woo! Oh, Lulu, be quite silly. Hey! Woo! You guys are awesome. Hey! Woo! Oh, that's a big one. Wow! Lulu, take a chill pill.
Hey, playing? Just playing.
It all out. Wait, how pretty it is. you think, Doodlebugs? Let's keep walking. Check it out.
Like Putin.
So here we are.
I'm glad.
This is Super Bowl Sunday.
Here we
My
go.
dad
And
joined us.
we're all pumped up.
We are pumped.
So anyway,
We are pumped you up. So here we go.
so Dad showed up today. We're in Fort Myers on Super Bowl Sunday and on our new boat. So we're really excited to have it.
Absolutely.
And we don't have a TV yet, so we are watching Super Bowl on our tiny little iPad.
On our little
And we just
Apple big ass tablet.
and we just had a gourmet dinner.
That's right.
Yeah, pretty fun, huh?
Fried codfish and everything's good.
So here we are, Fort Myers. Dad joined us yesterday. And look at this pirate ship coming down the channel. Pretty cool, isn't it? I bet you would like to be on that ship, huh, Rich? Barking orders.
That's it.
Look at the woodwork on that, how much work that would be to maintain.
On the way, not a penny to my name. You goddamn can't go home this and away. Da-dee-do-do. This is messed up. I'm trying to do this goddamn
How can you
thing.
make sense of this?
It's really totally effed up.
So anyway, this is our,
This is our crazy, what do you call it, AI nav station.
right, look at, it's a foggy morning. Look at this. We're still in Fort Myers and the water is way out, so we're just strolling the beach for shells. We have to hurry up and get back to the other side before it comes in. So we're leaving Fort Myers. Here we are cruising. What do you think about the boat so far?
Impressive boat, impressive skyline.
Yeah. So this is Marco Island. It's the very end, the west coast, and then we're going into the Everglades. And we're cruising around 9 knots at 2,000 RPM. Pretty sweet. Check this out. Kind of a cool little spot here. It's Morgan's Point right over there.
How many feet? It's 8 feet deep?
Yeah.
8 feet deep, right.
Beautiful night. Look at this. We're gonna enjoy the sunset tonight on this gorgeous little boat with our gorgeous little daddy. Yes, 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 yes. Oh yeah, check out that sunset.
Yep.
Nice. What do you think about that?
Oh man, I don't know. I've seen a lot of sunsets, and
So how was the trip over today?
I like this sunset because I haven't seen one in this ass boat right now.
So what do you
This
think?
sweet little boat. I like it.
How'd the day go?
All good. Engines run like little friggin' sewing machines. Little sewing machines. Well, okay. Little 5,000-pound sewing machines.
Yeah.
Or 1,000 pounds.
Anyway, yeah, pretty cool. So here we are outside of Marco Island. We're heading towards Marathon to head over to Fort Lauderdale to get all of our work done, right?
That's what we're doing.
Dad's working out on the high seas. Richard's running wires.
What?
We're enjoying a gorgeous day. We're heading to
I
Marathon.
can't believe I got in there with some.
We're dodging crab traps like crazy today.
Yep, I wish we had our flag up.
So we're coming into Biscayne Bay, which is south of Miami.
We're going in down there by the lighthouse.
We're gonna go in here and then around.
Wow, what a beautiful anchorage in Miami, Biscayne Bay. What I love about this boat is that here, look.
Need something?
No, I'm cooking Richard a fillet on our grill on the upper deck.
Oh.
That's flag clear stop first. Thank you very much for the opening.
This big street boats, they're waiting for the mini cars right
Pretty cool, isn't it?
here. It is.
Six cruise ships. So we made it to Fort Lauderdale. It's taken us how many days? A week. Okay, so we did a 7-day cruise from Clearwater all around the tip of Florida, and here we are. We landed in Fort Lauderdale. So here, 7 days at sea, and it was awesome. Cheers!
And thank you for inviting me along. It's been a wonderful voyage.
Yeah, it was
It's
great.
been great.
Right up to the end.
Enjoyed having him. What happened at the end, if you want to say it?
Well, you know, crash the top. It's okay.
Took
know.
a bath.
Yeah. Happened.
But anyway, Lulu was a trooper during the whole thing. Look at her. Yes.
What did I say? Any landing you can walk away from. That's a good one.
There you go.
Who is that, Travis? This is
Okay, so tonight, here we are on the Wine
Down.
Squirrel, and we decided to change the name to the Wine Down.
Wind down, yeah! All right,
Wind down.
let's wind down.
We're all winding down.
We're winding
winding down.
So what are you guys doing over here?
He's
Solar panels.
putting on
Yeah.
solar panels. We're getting them all ready here. And
Cool.
I'm just sitting there talking.
Are you
I'm just
distracting
wagging
them?
my tongue. Probably holding it back.
No, not at all.
So
but,
how many are we installing?
I lost count. I think like 15.
15, wow.
We're going to pave it. It's going to be paved with solar power.
So now we need to get a couple more.
And this is Steven, the
Oh,
expert.
yeah, here, I'll get it. Huh?
What
yeah.
company are you with?
Solar Marine.
Solar Marine, yeah, he's been working with us now
Too long.
for too long. But
I'm
today's
sure
the
from
day.
his point. I'm sure from his point of view, it's way too long.
It's good.
But yeah, today's the day to get them installed.
That one.
Exciting. Okay, I can see them working on the flybridge, putting the solar in. There we are. Looks like Richard's up there. Look, the first panels are on. Okay, so let's see what they're up to. Wow, looks like a lot of stuff going on up here. Here's the Los Olas Bridge. There's Battleship Row over there.
We're wiring up the solar controllers to the solar panels, and there's a bundle of wire that comes in from the T-top up from the roof, and it's going to get wired into this, and this will mount inside the access panel.
Cool! So exciting! this used to be a bedroom. Anyway, what are you trying to hook up?
Run wires, lots of wires. Drilling big holes.
Look at this mess.
I know it's a stinking mess.
God, look at this
Could
place.
you get
We have guests coming in a couple days. What do you think about that?
That's why I'm trying to get all this done. So they won't have to